है. Now on anger management. गुस्सा है ना, गुस्सा हम सबको बहुत आता है ना, मुझे भी बहुत आता है. हम सबको इतना गुस्सा आता है, इतना गुस्सा आता है, ऐसे लगता है सामने वाले को खा जाए गुस्सा आया तो, है ना. बहुत गुस्सा आता है हमको, बहुत गुस्सा आता है. अभी गुस्से को करे क्या, इसको हाउ डू वी कंट्रोल दिस गुस्सा. गुस्सा आ तो जाता है, फिर लगता है अरे यार मुझे इतना रिएक्ट नहीं करना था, शायद मैं थोड़ा और रिएक्ट कर गया, है ना. ऐसा तो सबको लगता है.
यस माता जी.
हाँ, सबको लगता है कि अरे
मैम,
यार.
माता जी, in game I play with my friend, and if there is one enemy left only, and my friend does not uh, knock him and take the uh, take the victory, so I also say him,
You get angry,
why?
no? So right, yeah.
Yes mata, why do you not kill the last enemy?
Exactly. So for small triple reasons we get so angry, इतना तो एक्चुअली बाद में अगर उसके ऊपर सोचेंगे तो इतना तो मुझे गुस्सा करने का जरूरत तो था नहीं, फिर भी मैं इतना गुस्सा क्यों किया. अच्छा, तो अभी गुस्सा, मुझे पता है कि ये गुस्सा अच्छी चीज नहीं है, तो इसको कंट्रोल करना चाहिए, लेकिन मैं कितना ट्राई करता हूँ, लेकिन ये गुस्सा कंट्रोल ही नहीं होता. राइट. दिस इज विद ईच वन ऑफ अस, एवरी वन ऑफ अस टॉक्स अबाउट दिस. Now in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna specifically has covered this aspect also about anger, right? Why it comes. Okay, अगर गुस्सा आता है और हम अगर लोग रिएक्ट करते हैं तो उसका इफेक्ट क्या होता है, उसका नतीजा क्या होता है, and how to control anger also Krishna only tells us in Bhagavad Gita. So whatever I am going to tell you today, आज मैं जो भी बोलूंगी, I am not telling anything of my own. I am not telling anything जो researchers ने या scientist ने किया होगा. I am not going to tell any of those. I am just going to tell you what Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita. So उसके लिए I have picked a few verses. There are many shlokas in Bhagavad Gita wherein Krishna tells how to control your anger. I have picked up only 3 to 4 verses out of those. But I am not going to tell anything of my own. I am only going to tell you what Krishna says how to control your anger. Okay. So now let us jump into this. Yeah. When do we get angry? हमको स्कूल में जाने के लिए लेट हो रहा है या ऑफिस में जाने के लिए लेट हो रहा है और ट्रैफिक जैम में फंस गए. यू हैव गॉट बैडली स्टक इन द ट्रैफिक जैम, और अभी मम्मी डैडी का टेम्पर बढ़ रहा है, डैडी ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, है ना, और गुस्सा आ रहा है, ऑफिस के लिए लेट हो रहा है, इसको ड्रॉप करने का, ये करने का, वो करने का, एंड देन यू गेट वेरी इरिटेटेड, वेरी पिस्ड ऑफ. फोन कर रहे हैं, अरे मैं लेट हो जाऊंगा, यहाँ पे बहुत ट्रैफिक जैम है. इन द स्कूल यू कॉल अप, मिस आई विल बी लेट. टीचर सेज गो बैक होम, no need to come to our school, you should have planned your thing earlier. Then you get angry on your teacher, मैं क्या करूँ, ट्रैफिक जाम है, मुझे थोड़ी पता था ट्रैफिक जाम रहेगा. Right? So many things are out of our control, we can't do anything, and we start reacting. गुस्सा आता है, फिर चिल्लाते हैं हम लोग, अरे आगे चलना. फिर then we get down, we hastily get down out of our car, देखते हैं अरे कितना, अरे हाथ करते हैं, दरवाजा बैंग करते हैं. Right? Is that a good thing? We all know that is not a good thing, right? So whenever such situation happens, we have a choice whether to accept the situation, be calm, or to react. Right? React भी कर सकते हैं, या ठीक है अभी मेरे कंट्रोल में तो है नहीं, मैं सारी थोड़ी चीजें थोड़ी कंट्रोल करता हूँ, मुझे थोड़ी पता था ट्रैफिक जैम है, अभी है तो है. ऑफिस में लेट मार्क लगेगा तो लगेगा, स्कूल वाले प्रिंसिपल वापस भेज देंगे तो भेज देंगे, मैं क्या करूँ. मे बी नेक्स्ट डे मैं थोड़ा जल्दी उठूंगा, मे बी मैं नेक्स्ट डे थोड़ा अच्छे से प्लान करूंगा. That is there in our control. Reacting is also there in our control. And so basically how do we face the situation is both the things in our control. एक तो एकदम गुस्सा करेंगे या बोलेंगे नहीं ठीक है, I need to plan when I should leave, I need to plan it well. Right? That is also in our control. खेलने का समय होता है, another situation. खेलने का समय होता है, 5:30-6 बज गया, अभी मैं नीचे जा रही हूँ, मम्मी ने जो भी काम बोला मैंने कर दिया, अभी मम्मी कह रही नीचे जाके कुछ लेके आ. अरे यार मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स नीचे खेल रहे हैं, वो जो भी है बैडमिंटन, फुटबॉल, जो भी है पकड़ा पकड़ी, whatever they are playing down. I want to go, and my mama says now please go and bring something from the grocery shop. You get very angry. पहले क्यों नहीं बोला, मैं तो पहले जाके आता था, अभी आपने बोला. I am not going to do the dish. that we can react. Another way of reacting is, Mama, can I bring it after 8 o'clock when I come back home? Is that okay? So if you say like this to your mama can understand. Yeah, no, it's time to play, you can go. And if it is real urgency, some guests are going to come home, और ये भी लाना ही पड़ेगा, या घर का खत्म ही हो गया है, खाना नहीं बनेगा, then you also understand. You understand mama's perspective also. नहीं नहीं अभी तो जरूरी है, मुझे क्या 5-10 मिनट ही लगेंगे, ठीक है, रोज तो मैं जाती ही हूँ 5:30-6 बजे खेलने को, आज 10 मिनट लेट चली जाऊंगी, है ना. सो वी ऑल हैव अ चॉइस, either to react, मम्मा के साथ फाइट करेंगे कि मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, मुझे मेरा समय है 6 बजे जाने का, मैं चला जाऊंगा, और we say that नहीं, let us understand the situation. Can I bring it after 8 o'clock, or I need to do it now because it is a necessity, right? So both the things are our choice, right? Again, एग्जाम का पहला दिन है, एग्जाम के 2 दिन पहले, अरे मेरे नोट्स नहीं मिल रहे, मैंने यही रखे थे, अरे मिल ही नहीं रहे, कहाँ रखे मैंने, इतना मैंने मेहनत करके सारे इंपॉर्टेंट नोट्स निकाला, लेकिन सब गुम हो गए, अभी मैं कहाँ ढूंढूं इसको, अभी मैं क्या करूं, घर पे चिल्लम चिल्ली, सारा घर नाच धूस करके रखा, ये कबर्ड खुला, वो कबर्ड खुला, यहाँ पे नहीं मिल रहा, वहां पे नहीं मिल रहा, मम्मी पे चिल रहा, मम्मी तूने उठाया होगा, भाई पे चिल्ला रहे हो, नहीं तूने रखा होगा, मैं हमेशा अपनी चीजें जगह पे रखती हूँ, है ना. We all shout, we all get agitated. We have an option to sit calm and think. मैंने ये कहाँ रखा होगा, शायद मैंने अपने ड्रॉअर में रखा होगा, यहाँ पे नहीं तो वहां पे रखा होगा, या मैं कहीं भूल के आई होंगी, या मैं किसी फ्रेंड को दिया होगा. सो सिट, यू हैव अ चॉइस टू सिट काम एंड थिंक कि मैंने कहाँ रखा होगा, एंड देन आई सर्च फॉर इट, देन आई लुक फॉर इट. ऐसे नहीं कि मैं चिल्लम चिल्ली करूँ या पूरा अपना सबका मूड खराब कर दूं, मेरा मूड खराब, घर में सबका मूड खराब. We have a choice. How do we react? And based on you react, your parents will also react, your siblings will also react, everyone there will be total chaos in the house, right? So we have a choice. How do we react, right?
Mataji.
Yeah, Binay.
Just I think 1 or 2 minutes ago, my friend comes to call me for playing, and
Yeah.
I angrily react, I'm not coming.
Yes, so I'm going to cover that situation also, so hold on your thoughts, we're going to cover that. If we do that, how do we handle that situation? I'm going to come to it. Okay, just hold on your thoughts. Another situation, I get blamed for something which I have not done, right? अगर हमारा घर का कोई कॉस्टली चीज फूट गया, अरे मैंने नहीं तोड़ा है, मैं बोल रही हूँ मैंने नहीं तोड़ा है. So you have a choice either to react. आप हमेशा मेरे को ब्लेम करते हो, हमेशा मैं ही आपको दिखता हूँ कि मैंने ये सब किया होगा, आप हमेशा ऐसा मेरे साथ करते हो, मेरे साथ ही ऐसे होता है. Or you have an option that wait for the other person to calm down and then you explain कि ये जब भी टूटा तभी मैं घर में नहीं था, या ये जब भी टूटा तभी मैं अंदर बेडरूम में थी. Whatever, you can explain that, you know, I did not do this. Even if the other person doesn't agree, ठीक है, at least you have done your part. Then leave it to Krishna, right? If you have not done it, you have not done it. That is okay. You can explain. You can explain your side. लेकिन आप चिल्लाने लगोगे, जोर-जोर से बोलने लगोगे, सामने वाला तो नहीं सुनेगा. Things will only worsen, right? Things will only worsen by this, right? So why do we get angry? है ना, अभी हमने देखा सारे कोई सिचुएशंस जहाँ पे हमको गुस्सा आता है. मैंने थोड़े सिचुएशंस कवर किया. आई हैव नॉट कवर्ड ऑल द गैमेट ऑफ सिचुएशंस, आई हैव कवर्ड ओनली फ्यू सिचुएशंस, राइट? अभी हम देखेंगे कि व्हाई डू वी गेट एंग्री? बिकॉज थिंग्स डू नॉट हैपन एज पर माय एक्सपेक्टेशन. मैंने कुछ सोचा, मैंने बहुत पढ़ाई की, ओके, मैं 2 घंटा कंटिन्यूअसली पढ़ाई की और इतना सुंदर हैंडराइटिंग निकाला, पूरा पढ़ाई किया, और फिर भी मेरे पे आपके चिल्लाते हैं, अरे तूने तो इतना ही पढ़ाई किया, तेरे को 10 चीजें करनी थी, तूने तो 4 ही चीजें की. तो डैडी आके चिल्लाते हैं, एंड देन आई गेट वेरी एंग्री. I thought you will praise me for my work. I have done so nicely. I was sitting so sincerely, but still you're shouting at me because things do not happen, because you expect that someone will praise you for your nice work or good work. but that did not happen. So then you get very angry, very angry. You have a choice again here to explain. See, this work, even if you had given me 10 things, ये चार ही चीजें हो सकती थी ये 2 घंटे में. तो अगर मुझे अच्छी हैंडराइटिंग निकालनी है, अगर मुझे करेक्ट सम्स करने हैं, तो I would need 2 hours, because I will, and you can say I will practice slowly. I will increase my speed slowly, but I have given my best. So you can talk. If you talk so nicely, other person to react कर रहा है ना, वो धीरे-धीरे उसका टेम्पर भी धीरे-धीरे कम होगा. Okay. Then other reason, no one has time for me, no one loves me, है ना. So everyone ignores me. किसी को मेरे साथ समय नहीं है. मम्मी डैडी ऑफिस जाते हैं, बहन अपने खेलने जाती है, किसी को मेरे पास समय नहीं है, कोई मुझे प्यार नहीं करता. फिर गुस्सा आता है, मुझे नहीं करना, ये सब मुझे पसंद नहीं है. पसंद होगा तो भी बोलोगे पसंद नहीं है, right? Again that creates an anger within us, because we may not see the things the way they are, है ना. जो अभी मम्मी डैडी हमसे प्यार करते नहीं करते, ऐसा तो होगा नहीं. They love us a lot, but we do not see the things the way they are. So because we think wrongly, we get angry. Our attempts to enjoy gets frustrated. Disneyland जाना है, okay, Disneyland जाना है और वहाँ पे बड़े मजे करने हैं, और जिस दिन हम लोग पहुँचते हैं उस दिन बहुत बारिश आती है. अभी इतना सा प्लान करके गए थे और बारिश आ गई, सब प्लान फंस हो गया, राइट. बहुत गुस्सा आता है, अरे ये क्या हुआ हमारे साथ, क्यों ऐसा हुआ, इतना प्लान किया था, क्लाइमेट भी देखा था कि सब ठीक था और फिर भी ऐसा हुआ, राइट. पिज्जा खाने चले गए, पिज्जा पार्टी खाने चले गए, कोक का ग्लास गिर जाता है. ये मेरे साथ ही होता है, हमेशा मेरे साथ ही होता है. एक मैं कभी कभार मैं जाती हूँ पिज्जा खाने के लिए, लेकिन ये मेरे साथ होता है. गुस्सा आता है, क्यों? बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू एंजॉय बट वी कुड नॉट एंजॉय, राइट. ऐसे गुस्सा आता है. When somebody insults us, अरे तेरे को तो your one friend, they are discussing together, and your friend tells other friend, अरे you know that boy, she doesn't look good, she's not even smart, she's like a dumb girl, she doesn't know even this much. Then you hear that, what, she said this about me, I will take revenge. वो खुद को समझता क्या है ना, वो खुद को ऐसे समझता है कि वो खुद के बड़ा स्मार्ट है क्या. You get very angry because someone has insulted you, right? So all these things create lot of agitation in our mind. बहुत गुस्सा आता है, अंदर से जलन होती है, अंदर से आग निर्माण होती है, और ऐसे लगता है कि सामने वाले का गला दबा दूं, right? इतना गुस्सा आता है. So now let us see what Krishna is saying. Why is anger dangerous, right? Anger के आगे D लगा दो तो क्या होगा? Danger. So anger is actually dangerous. Why is it dangerous? Now what is Krishna saying about anger? Let us see what Krishna says about anger. Dambho darpo bhimanascha krodha parusham ivacha ajnanam chabhijatasya partha sampadam asurim. So he is defining. Listen very carefully. Now we are. Who is saying this? Krishna is saying this. So let us see what Krishna is saying. Listen very carefully. All cameras on. What is Krishna trying to tell? Krishna is trying to tell that pride, abhiman, arrogance, anger, ये क्या है? ये असुरी लक्षण है, ये राक्षसी लक्षण है. These are demonic nature, right? Conceit is किसी को चोरी, किसी को cheat करना. Okay, so okay, Nachiket. So all these activities are demonic, rakshasi activities. So would Krishna want you to do these demonic activities? No, right? So you should. So Krishna is saying, don't fall into the trap of anger, right? These are all demonic activities. Right? What is Krishna further saying in Shlok chapter 5 verse 20? Na prashat priyam prapya नो विजेत प्राप्य चाप्रियम स्थिर बुद्धिर असाम बुद्धो ब्रह्मा विद ब्रह्मणि स्थितः. What is he saying? If you get praises, listen very carefully. Krishna is telling this. We are not saying this. Any scientist is not saying this. Any psychologist is not saying this. Krishna is saying this. Okay. What is he saying? If you get praises, don't be very excited about it. Don't be too happy about it. And if you get unpleasant circumstances, don't feel very sad about it. Right? And why so? He's saying that if we have to get pain, it is part of my karmic reaction. Okay, अगर मैंने बुरे कर्म पहले किए होंगे तो उसका मुझे फल मिलेगा. Right? You will get what you give. Listen very carefully. This is very important topic. You will get what you give. If you give love, you will get love. If you give hatred, you will get hatred. Right? We say garbage in, garbage out, good in, good out. You should remember very carefully what you give, that you get. You give love to Krishna, you love all the people, you will in turn experience love. You give hatred, you give anger, people are going to react. So it all depends upon us. Right? And again it is part of our karmic reaction. हमने कुछ पहले बुरी चीजें की होंगी तो आज हमको अपने फ्रेंड्स दुख दे रहे हैं, कल कोई और रिलेटिव्स दुख देंगे, कल हमारा बॉस दुख देगा, कल हमारे टीचर्स दुख देंगे. राइट? सो इट इज ऑल पार्ट ऑफ आवर कार्मिक रिएक्शन. रिमेंबर दिस. सो इफ आई कंट्रोल माय फ्रेंड, अगर मैं फ्रेंड को एक पंच मार दूं, राइट, नाउ सफरिंग हैज टू कम टू मी. It has come because of my bad luck. Right? So I'll give you another example. Okay, so a postman is there. Okay, college boys are staying and postman is there. The boy is staying in a college hostel. Okay, a postman comes there and postman comes with a check of 20,000 and he says, you know, your relative, your uncle has sent you this check. You get so happy. Wow, 20,000 check. Now I'll be able to, you know, go to a restaurant. बहुत दिनों से मैं गया नहीं. Now I will at least enjoy some life. You know, very happy, very happy. Okay, he takes the checks from the postman, sign the slips, give it to him. Next day, the postman comes again with the electricity bill and with a letter saying that your electricity, that meter was not working from last few months. So on an average basis, we have calculated the electricity bill amount and now the bill is 25,000. What? I got 20,000 for my uncle yesterday. I was so happy. And bad karma, destiny, 25,000 is going. So is the postman responsible? No. So similarly, your friend, your parents, your relatives, your teacher, whoever is you think are troubling you, they are not responsible. It is part of our karma. Who is saying this? Krishna is saying this. Okay, so what is Krishna telling us? We should not get too excited about things and we should not be too sad about things. Okay, let's move ahead. This to shloka everyone knows. Matra sparshastu kaunteya shitosna sukha dukkhada agama pahino nityastam titikshasva bharata. So again Krishna is saying that we should not get disturbed by pain. We should learn to tolerate. This is very important. Very important. You should listen very carefully. पक्का अपने दिमाग में रखो. Learn to tolerate. हमको टॉलरेट करना आता ही नहीं है. हमको रिएक्ट करना आता है. तूने ऐसे किया, मैं क्या कम हूं क्या, मैं भी तेरे को दूंगा. That is what our attitude is. Otherwise, people will think I am very weak. I need to show him. है ना? अगर बस में हम लोग जा रहे हैं, किसी का धक्का लग गया गलती से, अरे धक्का क्यों मारा? अरे मैंने क्या जानबूझ के मारा क्या? थोड़ा धक्का लगा तो चलता नहीं है क्या? अरे थोड़ा धक्का था क्या? कितना बड़ा धक्का था, मैं भी तेरे को धक्का मार सकता हूँ. एक दूसरे को धक्का मारे, बस में फाइट शुरू हो गई. Because there is no tolerance. Triple things we end up fighting. We should learn to tolerate. Remember this very carefully. In the end, there is a quiz, and in the end, you have to summarize. Okay? So please listen very carefully. We should learn to tolerate. आज हम लोगों में टॉलरेंस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आ जाता है, मम्मी डैडी कुछ बोलते हैं, हम कुछ बोलेंगे तो उसको उल्टा जवाब देंगे, हमारी आदत हो गई है, right? Many kids nowadays, they react to what their parents tell them because they have no habit of listening. You should learn to tolerate. If you don't learn to tolerate, you will see. If you do not control your anger, we will see what will happen. Okay, we will see that. Okay, we are going to move ahead. Okay, we get angry and then we regret, right? So for example, कोई मैसेज देखा, बॉस ने कुछ बोला है, इतना सारा काम दिया है, और इतना मैं साल भर काम करती हूँ, वापस से देते जा रहा है, गुस्सा आता है, फोन ही फोड़ देता है, और फिर बुरा लगता है, अरे मैंने ओवर रिएक्ट किया यार, यही सिचुएशन था, मैं बॉस से बात भी कर लेती, है ना, आई कुड हैव हैंडल इट वेल, राइट? सो what happens if we do not tolerate? What happens if we do not control our anger? Krishna is saying in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 16, verse 21. Remember this. Krishna is telling. What is Krishna telling? There are 3 gates to hell. कहाँ लेके जाएंगे ये हमको? नर्क में लेके जाएंगे. क्या? If we have lust, if we have anger, and if we have greed. तो अगर हमने अपना गुस्सा कंट्रोल नहीं किया, हम कहाँ जाएंगे? हम लोग नर्क में जाएंगे. तो अगर हमको नर्क में नहीं जाना है, because this is law of karma, right? Everyone knows law of karma. अच्छी चीजें करेंगे तो हम heavenly planets में जाएंगे, बुरी चीजें करेंगे तो हम hellish planets में जाएंगे, हम लोग नर्क जाएंगे. गुस्सा आना is not good. What will happen? We will go to hellish planets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
As simple as that.
Yes,
So
Mataji.
you have to, जब भी गुस्सा आएगा, आपको ये याद रखना है, जब भी गुस्सा आएगा तो आपको, बाप रे गुस्सा आएगा, मैं नर्क में जाऊंगा, नहीं 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 बाबा, मुझे कंट्रोल करने दो. और नर्क में भगवान खुद ही बोल रहे हैं भगवत गीता में, गुस्सा आएगा तो नर्क में जाओगे, इट इज गेट टू हेल. नहीं नहीं बाबा, मुझे नहीं करना. कंट्रोल योर एंगर, लर्न टू टॉलरेट. ओके?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, in fact, I was telling my parents today only in the morning, like when I get angry, when I used to get angry previously, I used to, like, instead of thinking about my anger, I would just go to the other room, I'll pick up my Rubik's Cube, I'll start solving it. I have to concentrate on my cube. I solve it, again I'll jumble, again I'll solve, again I jumble, again I solve. I continuously focus on that cube and my
Yeah, you divert your mind from the bad situation or the unpleasant situation that you are in. Now Krishna is further saying in Bhagavad Gita 3. Yeah.
Mataji, when I did not attend this class, there was one
आप हिंदी में
child.
बोलना चलेगा.
ओके मैम, माता जी.
हाँ.
वहाँ पे एक भैया थे, तो
हाँ.
वो मेरे से बस 2 क्लास बड़े थे.
हाँ.
हाँ, तो एक बार उन्होंने मेरे को लात मारा था.
हाँ.
तो उसके बाद हम दोनों में फाइट शुरू हो गई. मतलब उन्होंने भी मेरे को अच्छे से मारा, मैंने भी उनको बहुत अच्छे से मारा.
Okay.
और ऐसा 5 बार हुआ.
हाँ.
ऐसा 5 बार हुआ, मैंने 5 बार उन्हें मारा.
Okay. But yeah, so I am also going to cover that situation कि हमारा गुस्सा है, ऐसा नहीं कि हम मार खाते रहे, कोई भी हमको
एंड माता जी,
आना चाहिए.
Yes, Mataji. You had told that in a
Mataji.
previous plan.
One
Tolerate
second. Yeah.
एक बार तो मैंने उनसे ऐसी फाइट की थी कि वो मेरे घर पे कंप्लेंट करने गए थे, और वो भी रोते रोते.
अच्छा.
मतलब इतना गंदा मारा.
Acha. So I will tell you what we should do in such situations. Okay, that also we are going to cover. Now see what Krishna is saying in chapter 3, verse 37. That if your eternal love to Krishna gets transformed into lust and anger in the mode of passion. This mode of passion I'm going to cover in the later sections. What is mode of passion? Right? Rajasic, Rajogun. अभी आप हमेशा रजोगुण में रहोगे, ग्रीडी रहोगे, मेरे को ये चाहिए, मेरे को वो चाहिए, और ये नहीं मिला तो मुझे गुस्सा आता है. What happens? We do not love Krishna, and you know what happens when we do not love Krishna, right? Our protection goes down, and now we are exposed to law of karma. When we are closer to Krishna, Krishna takes care of us. Name bhakta pranashyati. Right? Lust means it is like greed. मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. It is like hankering for things. Okay? So, if we do not go to closer to Krishna, we will go away from Krishna if we have anger. Krishna himself is saying, right? Shri Bhagavana Vacha. Right? So, you will go away from Krishna. You will go to hell if you don't control your anger. What are the effects of anger? हमको कैसे गुस्सा आता है वो देखा है ना. हमको गुस्सा क्यों आता है वो देखा, क्योंकि हमारी इच्छाएं सेटिस्फाई नहीं होती, हमको कोई ब्लेम करता है, जो भी है. We saw those things, why we get angry. We saw what is Krishna telling her is that what happens if you become angry. Now we will see effects of anger, and then we will see what is Krishna telling about controlling anger. Okay. Yeah, uncontrolled anger. Yeah. So uncontrolled anger. So we will first see uncontrolled anger. Right? Vishwamitra Muni, you know, who was like doing lot of tapasya. Rambha came to distract him. Right? And he got so angry on Rambha because he distracted him. He cursed him that you will become a rock for 10,000 years. He cursed him. Listen very carefully. He cursed him. After that, Vishwamitra felt very bad. कि मैं इतना साल तपश्चर्या किया, but still what happened? I was not able to control my anger. Right? So what is the use of the meditation that I did for so many years? I was not able to control my anger. Yeah. So let us move ahead. Effect of anger. It is like you behave like intoxicated. Intoxicated मतलब नशा लेते हैं हम लोग, नशा हम लोग वैसे behave करते हैं. क्यों behave करते हैं? Because our intelligence is lost when we get angry. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोह. This also श्लोक you know most of you. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोह. सम्मोहा स्मृति विभ्रमः. Intelligence is lost. स्मृति भ्रंशात् बुद्धि नाशो. बुद्धि नाशो प्रणश्यति. So when mind is lost, intelligence is lost, what will happen? We will completely fall down. So we behave as if हमने नशा किया है, and we do not take right decisions. Right? It increases our frustration. बहुत गुस्सा आता है. Right? You reacted very aggressively. With my mother and now we are feeling bad about it. एक बार गुस्सा किया तो किया, लेकिन मम्मी को कुछ भी बोला, now you are feeling bad about it. Right? Let us see another example. It prevents you from taking right decisions. आपका स्कूल प्रोजेक्ट टीचर ने बोला है लास्ट दिन सबमिशन है. One second. Just give me 1 second. Your project is there and you have to give this do the project, you have to submit it on time. लेकिन गुस्सा आ रहा है, फ्रेंड्स कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट है पूरा, मतलब ये कोऑपरेट नहीं करना है, वो कोऑपरेट नहीं करना है, लास्ट मिनट टीचर ने दे दिया. You have a choice whether again you will behave properly and you complete the project, focus on the project. I'm so sorry I got disconnected. Just 1 second. Yeah, and then what happens? That it helps you. Then you are not able to do your project peacefully. Project अगर अच्छा नहीं कर पाए तो मार्क अच्छे नहीं मिलेंगे, right? So that is the effect of your anger. You spoil things. That is the effect of your anger, right? Then your friend said something to you, और गुस्से में बॉस से झगड़ा हो गया, मैं रिजाइन करके आ गया, मैंने छोड़ दिया, मेरे को नहीं ज्वाइन करना, मेरे को नहीं जॉब करना तेरे साथ, right? You end up taking wrong decisions. Right? With angry mood. This is the effect of anger. You break relationships. You could break relationship with your friend just because your friend went for a party. You could have just spoken with your friend, right? You shouted at your friend because you were in the wrong mood. You were in a bad mood. You shouted at your friend, right? Your relationships get spoiled. This is the effect of anger. 1 second. My internet is having some problem. Yes, how should we control anger? Is the point now. है ना? इतनी देर से हम anger के बारे में सुना. How should we control anger? Now let us see what Krishna is telling us about anger. This is all what Krishna is telling us. Okay, so Krishna tells us about austerity of mind, austerity of body, and austerity of speech. Austerity मतलब तपस्या. मन को कैसे कंट्रोल में रखना है उसकी तपस्या. Austerity of the body मतलब बॉडी की तपस्या और speech उसकी तपस्या. Right? So we will go to the specific shlokas. But one thing we need to know is that what is this? Our body is made up of? Our body is made up of 3 things. Inner portion that you see, the yellow portion, is our soul. External portion, the last portion that you see, is our body, right? And the dotted line that you see is our mind, our intelligence, our desires. मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, right? These are our desires, right? Now, if we compare our body to a computer, a hardware is the gross body, mind and intelligence is the software, and spirit's core is the based on which it is electricity, right? अगर electricity नहीं रहेगा तो hardware और software काम नहीं करेगा, right? So that is like an electricity. अभी software हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर वायरस फ्री भी हो सकता है और या फिर उसमें वायरस भी हो सकता है, राइट? नाउ व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वायरसेस आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट? लेट अस सी दोस. हाउ कैन वायरस कम इन? सो लेट अस सी दोस. आवर माइंड इज अ थॉट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मशीन, राइट? थॉट हमेशा डिजायर्स, हम जो देखते हैं उसको हम, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? इतने सारे एड्स आते हैं टीवी पे, कितने एकदम अट्रैक्टिव एड्स रहते हैं, और वो एड्स देखने के बाद बाल लंबे, अरे वाह शैम्पू से बाल इतने लंबे होते हैं, और ड्रिंक्स, इतने सारे ड्रिंक्स, इतने सारे खाने पीने की चीजें. यू गेट सो मच अट्रैक्टेड बाय दोस एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स. सो व्हाटएवर वी सी gets registered in our mind, and then mind seeks for those desires, right? How do we feed our mind? If we see violent movies, हमको violence जैसे हमारा मन एकदम ऐसे agitated रहेगा हमेशा. Fiction movies, right? Whatever we feed our mind, जैसे whatever we feed our body accordingly, you know, it is healthy or it is unhealthy. Similarly, if we feed our mind will become healthy or it will become unhealthy. So our body also should be healthy and mind also should be healthy. Then only we will progress in Krishna consciousness, right? Our mind so definitely has to be healthy. Okay, now where do we get our scripts from? है ना, प्रोग्राम बनता कैसे है अपना? वायरस फ्री प्रोग्राम या वायरस वाला प्रोग्राम बनता कैसे है? From the type of books we read, the quality of books we read, the type of movies that we see, the type of music that we are, दिन भर ढन 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 एकदम ऐसा एक्शन म्यूजिक सुनते रहेंगे. Will your mind be calm? Will your mind be peaceful? No, right? Type of friends we have. Listen very carefully. All these 4 or 5 things will determine whether you will be angry or whether you will be peaceful. So be very choosy. What type of friends you want, what type of music we listen, what type of books we read, what type of movies we see, right? ये अगर हम अच्छे देखेंगे, अच्छी चीजें करेंगे तो हमारा माइंड शांत रहेगा, गुस्सा नहीं करेगा. गुस्सा नहीं करेंगे तो नर्क में नहीं जाएंगे, राइट? सो माइंड इज लाइक अ टेप रिकॉर्डर. जो भी हम पढ़ेंगे, जो भी हम सुनेंगे, सब रजिस्टर होता जाएगा, है ना? जैसे हम रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं ना, तो अपना माइंड सब कुछ रजिस्टर करते रहता है अपने दिमाग में. तो माइंड इज लाइक अ टेप रिकॉर्डर, सब रजिस्टर करते रहेगा, right? Now how do we control our mind, right? That is what was the topic. by associating with saintly people. हमारा association कैसा है, हमारे friends कैसे हैं, that is very very important. And I am not telling this because we should follow this. No, I am telling what Krishna is telling. Understand very carefully. I am not telling anything of my own. This is Krishna is telling. I am going to cover those specific verses from Bhagavad Gita. Okay, we should go to the temple regularly. We should see the beauty of the Lord. We should associate with devotees. We should have good friends, right? So we should remember very carefully, we should have good friends and we should go to the temple, visit the temple, see the beauty of the temple and associate with devotees. Reading Bhagavad Gita. ये भी कृष्ण भगवान ही खुद बोल रहे हैं कि scriptures पढ़ने चाहिए. Okay, because other books will just divert you, right? आप कोई action का कोई book पढ़ोगे, whatever, Percy Jackson or whatever books you read, Harry Potter, I'm just picking up names which that is coming to my mind. Again, fiction. It will only agitate you and will take you to a dreamland. It will take you to an illusionary world which does not exist.
Yes,
But
Mataji.
I am not saying you should not read. Please read, but have a balance.
Yes,
ऐसे नहीं कि
Mataji.
रात दिन वो पढ़ते रहे. You should read. Always you can read novels. I'm not
Mataji,
stopping
on the YouTube channel.
Bhagavad Gita along with that. Yeah. Gives time for reading Bhagavad Gita. Give time for studying Bhagavad Gita. It will provide solution to each and every problem of your life. Again, who is saying this? Krishna is saying this. Again, Krishna is saying what? You should chant my name. I have given all the power. Okay? अगर आप मेरा नाम भी लोगे, मेरे नाम में ताकत है. So meditate ऐसे आप आंख बंद करके बैठोगे, उससे आपको पावर नहीं आएगा. अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी केयरफुली. कृष्णा इज सेइंग नाम नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्व शक्ति. He is saying I have given all the power in my name, so please chant my name. Again Krishna is saying this. What will happen if you do that? Right, your mind will become calm. You will realize that whoever is chanting very nicely, you will realize that in the studies it immediately has an impact, right? You will recall things very nicely. You will recall things. आपने जो पढ़ा है वो आपको जल्दी से समझेगा, अच्छे से रजिस्टर होगा. You will burn bad thoughts. आपके बुरे विचार burn हो जाएंगे. आपकी नेगेटिविटी है, जो मुझे कोई प्यार नहीं करता, मुझे सब ऐसे ही करते हैं, वैसे ही करते हैं, whatever. It will burn that negativity, and you will shine like gold. Right? It will burn out all the bad things in you and you will shine like gold. Krishna is saying this. Chant my name. Krishna is telling us. Right? Then, so let us see what Krishna is saying in different shlokas. Right? He is talking about austerity of body. Deva Dvija Guru Pratnya Pujanam Saucham Arjavam Brahmacharyam ahimsa cha shariram tapa uchyate. Krishna is saying, I have just picked up 3 verses, okay? There are many shlokas on this. I have just picked up 3 shlokas. Austerity of body. This is Bhagwana Vacha. Krishna is saying this. What is he saying? Worship Supreme Lord. Right? He is saying, worship the Supreme Lord. I am Supreme Lord. That is what he is saying. Worship Brahmanas. Worship your Guru. Worship your spiritual master. Respect your elders, respect your father and mother. Krishna is saying this. If you do not do this, you will go to hell. Live a life full of cleanliness. ऐसे नहीं कि सब गंदगी कर दी, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, कौन आने वाला है घर पे, है ना, गंदगी कर दी. Non-violence, simplicity, right? So it is very important that we should have austerity of body, austerity worship Supreme God में क्या आएगा? Getting up early, chanting his name, going to the temple, observing his beauty, praying to the Lord, and associating with devotees. This is all will come in worship Supreme Lord. Correct, no? So worship Supreme Lord, respect your parents, and live a life of cleanliness and truthfulness. Yeah. Let us see what he says in next verse. Yeah, 17 chapter, 15 shloka. Austerity of speech. How should we speak? We should be truthful. कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना है. झूठ बोलोगे नरक जाओगे. We should be pleasing. We should appear very pleasing and not agitating. ये मेरा काम कर दो please. आप ये मेरा काम करोगे please. Right? This is how our speech should be. Very pleasing.
Voice is breaking.
अच्छा, okay. So we should be very, very truthful. सही बात करना है. झूठ बोलोगे नरक जाओगे. Krishna is saying this. Law of karma.
Mataji.
Yeah. Yes, Farah. Are you all able to hear me? Is my voice cracking?
Mataji, voice.
Was I audible?
Yes, Mataji, you are audible.
Okay. Were you able to hear? Listen this austerity of speech. Yeah, लोग आपने सुना सब?
Mataji, that time your voice is breaking.
Mataji, we could hear you.
अच्छा, ओके. कहाँ से ब्रेक हुआ ये आपने सुना जो मैं बोला?
Yes, Mataji, we could hear.
You were able to hear this 17.14, Nityansh?
Yes.
Oh, this is about austerity of speech. Krishna is saying we should be truthful. We should be pleasing. हमको सबसे प्यार से बात करना है. सबके साथ arrogantly बात नहीं करना है. And 17 chapter 16th verse. This is talking about tapasya, austerity of our mind. We should control our mind to purify ourselves. ठीक है? This is very, very important. And it is talking about self control. Okay? Self मतलब हम ही को control करना है हमारे mind को. कोई दूसरा आगे control नहीं करेगा. You cannot say that he did not teach me. We only have to control our mind. No one else is going to control our mind. Okay? Now let us see what should we do to control our mind. एक तो उन्होंने बोला कि worship करना है, तो we should be worshipping Lord, we should be respecting our elders, we should be what else was there? Respecting our elders, then live a life of cleanliness and simplicity. Then he spoke about that we should be truthful, we should be very polite with everyone. Then he said you should control your mind. Now let us see how do we control our mind. We should eat sattvic food. Now I will tell you one thing, okay? A little controversial thing, but I will tell you this. When we eat meat, okay? When we eat meat, what happens? Assuming the person who is going to cut the goat, okay? He has caught the goat. Okay, बकरी को उसने पकड़ा है. Now what is the first reaction? The goat will try to run away. She will try to flee. And if she is not able to run away, what will happen? She will react. She will attack. So fleeing is mode of ignorance, tamogun, and attacking is mode of mode of passion. So rajogun. And when she is into this mood, a mood of flying, a mood of fleeing, मतलब भाग जाना है, या mood of attack करना है, so adrenal ion gets secreted in the body of the goat. Listen very carefully, okay? Adrenal ion gets secreted in the body of the goat. So when the goat is cut and when we eat it, what do we feed our body with? Mode of passion and mode of ignorance. Rajogun or tamogun. Right? इसके लिए कहते हैं that we should always eat sattvic food. Sattvic food is in the mode of goodness. Okay? When we eat sattvic food, फिर हमको वो रजोगुण और तमोगुण आएंगे. And Krishna is saying in Bhagavad Gita, your anger will increase if you eat food in mode of passion. If you eat rajasic food, आपका गुस्सा बढ़ेगा. If you eat tamasic food, आप lazy बनोगे. और आप सात्विक फूड खाओगे, आप मेरे पास आओ. You will come closer to Krishna. Krishna is saying this in Bhagavad Gita. मैं अपना कुछ भी नहीं बता रही हूँ. Okay, so you should eat sattvic food. You should eat only that much that is required. नहीं खाना है, जितना पेट को चाहिए उतना ही खाना है. Okay.
Mataji, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Mataji, like over here, if we say that plants we should eat, plants and plant products we should eat in this thing sattvic food. So if over here, like plants also have a life, but
Exactly, plants also have life. That is why we so we eat leaves, we eat fruits, we eat. However, listen very carefully.
Only eat fruits, right?
We can what Krishna is saying is patram pushpam phalam toyam. So these are allowed by Krishna to eat. But हम ऐसे ही नहीं खा सकते, हमको ऑफर करके ही खाना है. अगर हमने ऐसे ही खा लिया तो we are eating sin. Okay, so whatever can be offered to Krishna, that only we should eat. Then that becomes a sattvic food.
okay, Mataji. Or else if we just eat the plants, then we are killing the plants. But then when we are feeding it to Krishna,
Offer it to Krishna, then that sin is gone.
Yes,
But we
ma'am.
cannot offer meat to Krishna because Krishna doesn't allow us to eat meat.
Yes, Mataji, but don't kill the plants, right? We only eat fruits of the plant, so fruits don't die. I mean, plants don't die when we eat the fruits.
And even if roots are there, then still there is a way in which the roots also should be cut. The plant also, because see the thing is that जो अभी वो carrot वाला plant होता है या what you say, the plants which the fruits or the stems which grow underground, roots or stems, their life is only for one season. Understand that. Their life is only for one season. Carrot, radish, potato, their life is only for one season. After that, any which ways they will not survive. So that is why it is allowed. And that also if it is offered.
Yes,
to
Mataji.
Krishna. Yeah.
Mataji and Aditya, Mataji, if we think that we are cutting our plants or having fruits, we have fruits when there are small seeds inside the fruits. We shall plant them and it could also
But the seed doesn't have a soul in it.
also don't hurt.
Yeah. So seed doesn't have a soul in it. When it is planted,
But ma'am, it has a baby plant inside it.
no, but seed per se, see like in the womb, the egg, okay, so egg in the what do you say, womb of a hen, that has a soul in it. But a seed in a fruit doesn't have a soul in it. When it is planted, then and when it is watered, then it will gain a body of a plant, of a tree, of a plant or whatever. Okay, so an egg has a soul in it.
Yes, Mataji.
But a seed doesn't have a soul. It has a potential to grow. But when it will grow, when it is sowed in the soil. It has a potential to grow, but it doesn't grow on its own. But the egg has a soul in it. So understand that. That is the difference. Okay?
Yes, Mataji, I have a doubt. Yes, Mataji. Mataji, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, Mataji.
There is a lot of
Mataji, so these days, Mataji, these days they're like those eggs which do not actually are from the hens, and then those eggs don't have any life inside them.
Yes,
So
that is
what
they
about
say.
those eggs?
No, that is nothing like a concept of a vegetarian egg. Okay, understand this. It is an injection which is given to the hen, which is again an inhuman activity, right? An egg in a shell cannot be produced. It will be produced only through hen, right? So again, how will you make it vegetarian? Again, giving a injection to the hen. So that is not right.
No, like I've heard that they make it from some machine.
You will never have an egg from a machine. You will never produce milk from a machine again. You will need a cow to produce milk. You will need a human. You will need a living being to
Mataji.
produce sex.
And powder is
So all the knowledge in Google is not right. They try to hide it. They try to conceal it.
yes,
Yeah.
Mataji.
Yeah. So give up your unhealthy lifestyle. Regulate your sleeping. If you are sleeping properly, then सुबह agitation नहीं होगा. अगर हम लोग 8-9 घंटे का अच्छा sleep लेते हैं, sleep early, get up early, then you will have a calm full day. Whole day you will be peaceful. Yeah. Then no social media. Social media is only what it is doing. It is only agitating us. Reels देखेंगे, memes देखेंगे. It will only agitate us. So no social media. Am I audible? Because I see all your videos freezed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mataji, now you are audible.
But I suddenly see your videos freeze, so I don't realize. Yeah.
Okay.
Then most important thing, learn to forgive. Abhinay. Right? So learn to forgive and learn to, do not hesitate to say sorry. Always use this magical word sorry because it is meant for that, right? So do not bring your ego. अरे मैं sorry बोलूंगा तो मैं weak लगूंगा, right? Do not bring your ego in between. Say sorry. गलती हो गई, हो सकती है गलती. Say sorry. अगर हमने गुस्से से अपने फ्रेंड को कुछ बोल भी दिया, right? There is no harm in telling him मैंने गुस्से में बोला, I'm really sorry for this. Say sorry. You will be more appreciated, right? If you say sorry, you will become his best friend. If you say so, right? अपना ego मत लाओ, right? So there is no, don't hesitate in saying sorry and learn to tolerate. ये तो हमने देखा, सहनशीलता तो हमको बनानी ही है, right? So learn to tolerate. And remember one thing, we are not in control of everything. ऐसा नहीं कि सब कुछ चीजें में अपने कंट्रोल में है. Who is the ultimate controller? Krishna is the ultimate controller, right? So understand Krishna is a controller. Whatever is coming to me, it is coming by sanction of Krishna. Now, how do I react to that situation depends upon me. That doesn't depend upon Krishna. मैं हर सिचुएशन को कैसे रिएक्ट करूंगा ये मुझ पे डिपेंडेंट है, कृष्णा पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. बिकॉज कृष्णा गिव्स अस दैट फ्री विल टू चूज how I will react, right? So that is dependent on us, and based on how we react, we will decide whether we will go to heaven or we will go to hell. Okay, so learn to tolerate, learn to forgive, right? And control your mind, control your body, control your senses, right? Okay, then same thing which you said, right? You can express. एक बहुत गुस्सा आता है तो जैसे अभिनय ने बोला, मैंने उसको 2 दे दिया, एक्सप्रेस कर दिया, लेकिन फिर भी मन का गुस्सा नहीं जाता है. गुस्सा निकाल तो दिया, लेकिन फिर भी मन का गुस्सा नहीं जाता है. या फिर सप्रेस कर दिया, नहीं मेरे को, मैं अंदर रखा, ओके, अंदर दबा के रखा, तो भी क्या होगा, उसके लिए हेट्रेड निर्माण होगा, राइट? सो व्हाट वी शुड डू, we should forgive, tolerate, ignore and be patient. Yeah, but should we be patient all the times, right? You may say कि should I be patient? मुझे कोई मार रहा है तो क्या मैं ऐसे खड़े रह के मार खाऊं? No, right? You might know the story of snake and Narad Muni, right? So that snake is biting everyone. One day Narad Muni comes and he says, why are you biting everyone? You will go to hell if you do this, right? So then the snake said, Acha, I will go to hell. Then please tell me what I should do. No, please don't bite. So he says, okay. And now the snake is not biting anyone. And all the, people around are troubling him because they know that the snake is not going to bite. तो उसको stick से poke करते थे, उसको थोड़ा मारते थे, and they used to trouble the snake, right? And then again after a few months Narad Muni came, and then he saw the snake has become very weak, very feeble. So इसने पूछा, अरे तेरे को क्या हो गया है? So he said, you told me not to bite. Now everyone is troubling me. They're poking with their sticks. They're beating me. So what should I do? And Narad Muni says, Arey, I told you not to bite, but you can hiss, no? Psst. This you can do, no? डरा तो सकते हो सामने वाले को, उतना तो आप कर सकते हो. So you should not bite, but you can hiss. You can always protect yourself, right? You can protect. You should protect others. You should protect yourself. So to that extent, anger is okay. लेकिन if it's for your satisfaction, मैं भी कुछ कम नहीं हूँ, मैं भी दिखाता हूँ. So then it is satisfying our ego. That is not okay, because that will not please Krishna.
Excuse me,
Right?
Mataji.
Yeah.
Mataji, I have a doubt. Like, if you're just like, if you're walking down and while like you're just walking down and then some person like your friend like kicks you, you didn't do anything to him. You're just like walking, and your friend kicks you for no reason. Then what should you do?
So you should know whether he kicked you by mistake or if he kicked you purposefully. If he kicked you by mistake, then you can tell him, Baba, please take your leg inside. I was about to fall, and someone else will also fall. If he has kicked you purposefully, उसके पास जाना, hey boss, इस बार मेरे को मारा है, अगली बार मैं तेरे को छोड़ूंगा नहीं. You can give him warning. You can always warn him. See, don't consider that I am weak. You are troubling him. I am leaving you this time, but next
And
time.
if he does that again,
Of course, if he does
If
it
he-
in one,
he does
yeah,
that-
yeah. If he does it again, you have to give him one tight thing that you have to give. But only to the extent that he will not repeat it again. ऐसा नहीं कि इतना मारा कि उसका पूरा वाट लग गया. उतना नहीं करना है. You should just realize that he should not take you for granted. Okay? So वक्त आने पे अगर दिखाना है तो दिखाना पड़ेगा ही. अर्जुन को भी कौरवास को मारने के लिए गुस्सा लाना पड़ा, but that was for pleasure of Krishna and for protecting the dharma. तो उतना ही गुस्सा ठीक है, to the extent that it will not let the things fall beyond our control. Okay, so to that extent only have a regulated anger, right? Have a regulated anger. अगर anger uncontrolled हो जाएगा तो पूरा वाट लगेगा. Okay, सत्यानाश हो जाएगा. It will lead to an explosion, right? So, like our gas cylinder, I've just written here. Okay, gas cylinder. If it doesn't have a regulator, what will happen to the food that we cook? It will completely get spoiled, or there will be an explosion. If dams doesn't have a regulator, all the towns, villages, cities will get flooded. So everything should be regulated, right? Yeah. Your mother also regulates us, right? Your mother, she tells, Abba, don't go close to fire. Don't take a knife. You will cut your hand. Don't go in the bathroom. Don't handle the geyser. Your mother puts in these restrictions. Why does she put you these restrictions? Not that because she wants to be in control, because she wants to protect you, right? So for everything, regulation is very important. Okay, so your anger, to the extent it is required, it is okay, but it should not be uncontrolled anger ki abhi pura maat lagega, right? Okay. So again, story of Hanuman. Hanuman said, now that you have burnt my tail, I will burn your entire Lanka. So Hanuman got angry and Hanuman burnt the entire Lanka. So to that extent, Hanuman was okay. But understand very important thing.
Mataji, your voice is cracking.
Better now? Okay, so Hanuman, is it
No,
better? Still not better? Can someone just tell me, is it okay or not okay? Hare Krishna?
Mataji, yes, Mataji, it's okay.
Acha, okay.
Very clear.
Okay. So Hanuman, listen very carefully. This is what I'm telling you about Hanuman. So Hanuman got angry. He burned the entire Lanka. But when he burned the entire Lanka, then while he was about to go, he realized about Mother Sita. But she is there in Ashok Vatika. I burned the entire Lanka. Now if Ashok Vatika also catches fire, then what do? मैं राम जी को जाके क्या बताऊंगा कि मैंने लंका को भी जला दी और उसमें सीता भी थी. What will Ram say? What have you done? Did I tell you to do this? Why did you do this? Then he immediately went to Ashok Vatika. He saw how fortunately Sita was safe. Ashok Vatika was not, within the fire, within the boundaries of the fire. So that is an uncontrolled anger. So Hanuman's anger to the extent of burning Lanka was right. But Hanuman's anger without thinking that even Ashok Vatika could get burnt, that was uncontrolled anger. So always remember that some things can be reversed or some things can be managed, but sometimes uncontrolled anger can lead to disasters. It can spoil relationships with your friends. It can spoil relationship with your teachers, with your relatives, with your parents. Right? So our anger should always be controlled. It should be regulated. Self-control is what Krishna is saying. And if it is not self-controlled, It will lead to disaster. Okay.